Trello project management tutorial. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open your preferred browser and then search for Trello.com. This is the website you would be looking for. After that, sign up and then create an account. As you can see, this is completely free. You can use it using your Google account, Microsoft account, Slack, or your Apple ID. After creating your account, you can begin on your project management journey in this website. So there is also a tutorial video in this documentation section of this application. You can see this is also available in an application version. Go to your Play Store, you can install it using Play Store or App Store and select what you want to do. Select manage team projects and follow all the instructions and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.